The Munay key evolved as an energetic methodology to harness the power of the 4 brains that each one of us has. The human brain has 4 sub-brains within it. The first and most primitive of these brains is our reptilian brain. The reptilian brain is interested in survival and reproduction. Its instincts are self-preservation. Enveloping and encompassing the reptilian brain is the mammalian brain, the limbic brain. When this brain is dormant, it operates with 4 instinctual programs that neuroscientists know as the 4 F's, which is fear, feeding, fighting, and fornicating. When we harness the power of this brain, we're able to step beyond fear. We're able to step beyond scarcity. We live in a world of abundance. We're able to experience intimacy, love, connections with others, and we're able to step beyond violence, beyond the violence that we inflict to others and the one that we inflict to ourselves. The third brain is the neocortex that envelops the mammalian and reptilian brains. This is the brain that is awakened when we have the wisdom keeper's rites. This is the brain of Beethoven, of Einstein, the brain of mathematics, the brain of philosophy. When this brain is awakened through the Munay key, we recognize that the mind is mad, that we cannot dig ourselves out of a hole with a shovel. We step beyond mind and into spirit. When this brain is awakened, we step beyond mores and we step into ethics, into universal ethics. When this brain is awakened, we have the taste of infinity. The fourth brain is the most recent addition to the human neurological apparatus. It is the forebrain, the prefrontal lobes of the brain at the forehead. Our cousins, the Neanderthals, did not have this brain. They were known as low brows. Their brows slanted back, sloped backwards. Our brow slants forwards. We have a new brain structure that they did not have. Neuroscientists refer to this as the God brain. It is the part of the brain that allows us to step outside of ordinary time and space. It is the brain that allows us to steep in communion with spirit. It is the brain that allows us to break free of time, to influence events that occurred in the past, to nudge destiny. It is the brain of Homo luminous, of who we are becoming. This is the brain that is awakened with the rites of the earth keepers. Even though the prefrontal lobes of the brain, the God brain, appeared in humans 100,000 years ago, during an evolutionary quantum leap in which the brain doubled in size within a period of 10 generations, this neurocomputer has not been an active brain in humans until very recently. It is only today that we're awakening the potentials and capabilities of the God brain. And it is through the rites of the Munay key that the earth keepers of old developed technologies for energetically awakening and tapping into the extraordinary resources, the vast power of this brain that allows us to dwell and reside in infinity, free of time, unbounded by space. The reptilian brain is the brain of survival. It is master survival. It is master procreation. We do not need a brain much larger than the size of those of a lizard in order to thrive in this world. The neurological apparatus that we have gives us an opportunity to step into the fullness of our human nature, to step into our spirit nature, into our God nature, to participate consciously in the process of creation, of dreaming the world into being. But we can only do that when the capabilities of these neural computers have been activated. This is what the Munay key does. This is what the earth keepers of old understood, that when they went through these rites of initiation, they were tapping into the vast and unlimited capabilities of the brain.